The number of members in the group is, here, if there are 10 members, then they collected 10 paise from each one. If there are 20 members, they collected 20 members from each one. So we'll have to find how many members are there in the group. So here 1 rupee equals to 100 paise. So 59.29 rupees equals to 5929 paise, right? So what we have to find is just the square root, so that you get the number of members and I collected from each one as same amount. So 59, remove this point, 5929, square root is 7 sevens are 49, then 10 remains 1029, then 14, then 14 sevens are 98. Okay, that is less than 102. Always try this way only. First try first number dividing with this first number. So 102 upon 14, 14 sevens are 98. Try with 7. So it becomes 77 and you get the square root. So 77 members and each member has given 77 paise only. A certain number of men went to a hotel. Each man spent as many rupees as 1/4 of the men. If the total bill paid was 20,449, then how many men visited the hotel? Okay. Means if there are 10 men over there, and so each one will pay 1/4, so 2.5 rupees. If there are 100 men, then each one will pay 25 rupees. Okay. So let the number of men be x. So each spent how much? X upon 4. Okay. So total bill is what? X into x upon 4, right? Equals to x square upon 4. Now this bill x square upon 4 is equal to 20,449. So take this 4 on this side. So x square equals to 20,449 into 4. So that is 81,000. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.